welcome back. So, yeah, that's why I haven't been making videos, is because I had to get the Ranger done to go up north to visit some of my family because I had a vacation off, and I've just been really busy with work and all this other stuff going on. So, and as you can see, this is my basement. Got some cool stuff up. I do play D&D too. If you don't know what that is, it's Dungeons and Dragons. So, but just one of my newest hobbies I've been doing. So, got basically my basement all decked out. I got surround sound speakers everywhere. There's one there, there's one over there, there's one over there, there's one over there, along with two down there. So, and also, my fiance and her friend have been wanting to do like a furniture business. I've been helping them with painting or whatnot, but today we're gonna, I know on the last video I said that we were gonna do the light bar at the top and show you guys how to do that, but it's really not that hard to do, so I already did it before I went up north. So, but today we are going to be working on the Civic, not the go-kart, not the e-bike, the Civic. So, I recently purchased a muffler. It's a thermal research and velvet muffler that I got for pretty cheap, 20 bucks. Can't beat it. Brand new. The muffler is roughly almost 150 bucks. So, can't beat that. I'm going to put it on the car and I'm going to show you guys what it used to sound like, and basically before and after comparison. What's on there right now is kind of like a eBay fart cannon. I found it at a junkyard and paid 20 bucks for it too, a long time ago. So that's gonna change, but I'm gonna show you guys a clip of what it used to sound like right now. Oh yeah, baby. Well, hopefully y'all enjoyed that last little clip. This is the muffler I purchased. It's obviously for something else, but there it is. Thermal research and development, because it's definitely for like a Focus or something, I want to say. Not 100% sure, because there's the exhaust tip placement and it's on there, and the exhaust runs over that and over here. So, but I'm not going to be using that spot. I'm going to be putting the exhaust tip somewhere else, which y'all are going to find out after I get this welded up and fitted where I want it. So, and I just now noticed my bumper is sagging quite a bit, so I'm probably gonna take that rear bumper off too, along with the old exhaust, and possibly fit the other rear bumper on it. So yeah, but I'm not going to show you guys too much of this because I'm just going to knock this out, get it done the way I want it. So, but I am going to use the dual exhaust tips, which I do really like these. They are pretty nice. So, but hopefully the next clip I'll be showing you guys the end result. So yeah, and big plans for the car, but doesn't have to do with that motor, has to do with the motor in the car. So, but other than that, I'm gonna quit rambling and get to work. So, well, fucking shit. I hate rust. Fucking hate rust. So, there's the carnage. Same thing with this side. All I did is just unscrew it from there, there. Same thing on the other side, and it just kind of fell. I had to kick it off. But over here, it's a nasty rust pocket. It's just not good. And there's another one right there. But that can be fixed as long as this is structurally good. That's all that matters. Obviously there's like surface rust. I'm gonna clean that up and just spray it over with some black paint, some Rust-Oleum paint, so it doesn't rust anymore. And that looks pretty good. Might not make my own bumper support for it. So, you know, still haven't started on the exhaust yet, but figured to show you guys this. So, I might probably gonna take this off too. Probably not. I'll just leave it for now. But yeah, hopefully I'll be getting that off there and that on. So, okay, so this is day 2 of me working on the exhaust. The first day I got everything kind of mocked up the way I wanted to, tack welded or whatnot, which took pretty tedious amount of work, because I'm reusing the old exhaust from the car, so, and just trying to make everything fit. And then it was getting late and the grinder, well, the cutting wheel exploded on me, so cut my finger pretty good. My next day off, it was raining and couldn't really come out here do anything, so today is my day off and it's quite nice out. It's quite nice out, so figure I'll work on it, but I'm gonna get everything welded up back on the car and hopefully fire it up and see what it sounds like. So I'm gonna pull the Civic, gonna pull it out of the garage, let it get some sunlight, and so I have like more room in here too. And plus I gotta sweep the garage out afterward so my fiance can paint her little, where is it, her little vanity thing going on that she has. So that no bugs or cottonwood is getting on the wet paint. So, but I'm gonna quit blabbling and get to work. Well, it's running, and yet it's not out of the back. It's out of the motherfucking side, bitches. It sounds so much quieter too, man. Let me give it a rev for you guys. Oh, baby. Oh, that sounds so good, man. Oh, woo. Oh, yeah. No. Ah, it's too good. It's too good. Well, that's it. So, there you guys have it. The side exit exhaust on the Civic. Try and point right there. Okay, right there. Side exit exhaust. Yeah, everyone's gonna say it's rice. Yeah. So what? So now what I'm gonna be talking about is the Y7 in the car. So this is a D16 Y7 with a D16 A6 head on it. That is a non-VTEC head, single cam too, which I am going to take that motor out. I'm going to rebuild it. I'm going to put rods, pistons in it, and basically like a cheap build, but it's going to be on nitrous. So I'm going to shoot for roughly 300 horsepower ish and just drive it, get used to the power, get used to me just driving on the track, practice, or whatnot. Just basically a weekend drag car for now. Ooh, excuse me, the Coca-Cola. Until I can get that motor built. The ZC with the Z6 VTEC head that's going to be turbo, which is going to be a shit ton more power than the nitrous build. So, but along with it going to be a weekend warrior, well, a weekend drag car, I'm still going to work on it, do the body work to it and stuff like that, little by little. But still, if I want to go drive it, I can go drive it. I can go have fun at the track, throw the fucking nitrous bottle in there, drive it to the track or put it on a trailer, take it there, do a couple test hits, and whatnot, and have some fun. So, but that is going to be it for this video, guys. I am tired. I feel accomplished with that exhaust. It sounds so much better. So much better. Not so raspy and kind of like ricey, kind of. But I know some of y'all are going to give me shit about it being side exit, which I really don't care. Go ahead, give me shit about it. I don't care. So, but anyways, if you guys want to see the nitrous build on the single cam Y7 non-VTEC, stay tuned, stick around. Or if y'all don't want to stick around for that, at least wait for when I get the Z6 turbo motor built. So that's gonna be pretty sweet, but it's gonna be pricey because hey, shit costs money nowadays. So, but hopefully I can maybe get the rear bumper on the car soon. I don't know if I'm going to get a rear bumper support or if I'm going to make my own. I'm thinking about making my own. So, along with, I'm going to probably make my own front bumper support too. So the car is like a little bit lighter too. So, but that is it for this video, guys. Peace out. Drive safe. Drive responsibility. And always have fun. Later.